Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add a size chart to your Shopify store using the Size Chart app. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click on Apps, then Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Snake Size Chart. Click on the app and select Install App. Follow the installation steps and approve the permissions to add it to your store. Once installed, open Snake Size Chart from your Apps menu. On the main screen, click Create Size Chart. Start by giving your chart a title, for example, Men's T-Shirt Size Guide. Next, add your measurements. The app provides an easy-to-use table editor. You can add rows and columns for values like chest, waist, hips, and length. If you sell internationally, you can add both inches and centimeters in separate columns. You can also upload an image of your size guide to make it visually clear for customers. Scroll down. Here, you can decide where the chart will appear. You can assign the size chart to individual products, collections, or use tags for automatic assignment. For example, if you tag all your shirts with T-shirt, the chart will show only on those products. After finishing your setup, click Save.